So over the weekend, I published a video called They're Mocking Us, Katy Perry Bon Appetit Exposed. YouTube demonetized the video and also slapped an age restriction on it. Now, the demonetization is less of a concern as a lot of people, a lot of you guys watching have stepped up and helped support this channel through Patreon. And so this kind of thing happens and the channel can continue on and move forward and not be affected by it. But the part that kind of bothers me is the age restriction. And not so much that they did it because, hey, YouTube can do whatever they want, even though according to their own age restriction content guidelines, I don't think I violated any of the guidelines. In fact, they had an opportunity for you to refute it. And I wrote in this little box that I don't think I violated any of these terms, but they completely rejected that. The age restriction and the demonetization remain on this video. And there's a lot of reasons for that we can get into. Katy Perry getting a new TV show on YouTube. They're going to have to protect her. So anytime there's criticism of her, they're going to shut it down or try to slow it down. And that's what they've done here. There was close to 39,000 views of the video before they slapped the age restriction on it. And since then, there's only been 4,000 views. So clearly they wanted to censor it and not have the people who would consume the content of Katy Perry to hear the truth about what's really going on. Because here's the thing, they completely show their hypocrisy in doing this, okay? Because according to the age restriction, things like violence and disturbing imagery, nudity, sexually suggestive content, and portrayals of harmful or dangerous activities is considered to be age-restricted content. Now, why is it okay for Katy Perry to be violating every single one of those things and still have her videos monetized and viewed by millions of people, literally 40 million views of this music video, while at the same time, a criticism of Katy Perry and the music video and an opposing opinion is slapped with an age restriction and a demonetization, discouraging us to talk about this issue and discouraging the video from being shared wider on YouTube. All I have to say to wrap this up, YouTube, shame on you.